If you currently manage an e-commerce site, you know there's a lot that goes into it. There's a lot to manage. So if you're in the spot where you're currently looking for some help with that management, then a BigCommerce partner might be helpful. And that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about some of the differences in BigCommerce partners that you're going to find in the BigCommerce ecosystem. But ultimately, by the end of this video, my goal is that you understand the BigCommerce ecosystem and the partner ecosystem well enough so that you can easily navigate it and find the partner that's going to best fit your needs for whatever it is you're looking for. Let's get into it. As we kick this thing off, we're going to start at a high level and work our way down to the more nitty-gritty levels. So at a high level, generally, there's going to be two different types of partners you're going to find in the BigCommerce ecosystem. The first partner is going to be a tech partner. The second type of partner is going to be an agency partner. Let's talk about tech partners really quick. Within the BigCommerce ecosystem, there's different companies that create apps and integrations and features that you can add to the native features of your BigCommerce account. Now, the companies that create those added features are considered tech partners because they partner with BigCommerce to help broaden the scope of what a BigCommerce website can do. So if you're looking for very specific functionality on your website, there might be an app for that in the BigCommerce App Store. And you can easily access the app marketplace from the dashboard of your BigCommerce account. And from there, you're going to find apps that affect both the front end of your website and the back end of your website as well. So you can find the app you're looking for and go ahead and install it, or sometimes there's going to be work you need to do with that specific tech partner who created the app to make sure it functions properly on your website. That's camp one. Tech partners. Camp 2 would be agency partners. Now, agency partners like Anchor Group take a more holistic overall approach to your BigCommerce environment. That might mean front-end development, back-end development, or helping connect your BigCommerce account to software outside of your BigCommerce environment. Now, think about your website as a puzzle. There's different puzzle pieces that ultimately need to fit together to make up the entire puzzle. That's really how websites work. No two websites are identical. Each website is going to have different puzzle pieces that ultimately make up the whole. When we talk about BigCommerce agencies, think about it this way. Some agencies will focus on larger portions of the puzzle. Some will focus on smaller parts of the puzzle. Some agencies might only focus on the front end of a website and all the puzzle pieces that go together with that. Everything your consumer is going to see when they log on to your site. Some agencies might really specialize on the back end operational side of things for your e-commerce website. All the nitty-gritty details that your customers are not going to see when they log on to your website. Some agencies are going to be able to focus on both. Here at Anchor Group, we are a BigCommerce certified agency partner. What that means is we focus on quite a bit of the BigCommerce environment. We'll focus on large-scale BigCommerce implementations or BigCommerce migrations. So say, for example, if you're coming from a different e-commerce hosting platform and you want to bring everything over to BigCommerce, we can help with that. Now, what's unique about us here at Anchor Group is we also specialize in NetSuite. So if you use NetSuite as an ERP and you're either migrating to BigCommerce or you're already on BigCommerce, we would be a great partner for you to work with because we speak both NetSuite language and BigCommerce language. So there's less friction in a project cycle because we understand both software systems. Now, we don't only work on BigCommerce and NetSuite projects. We will just work on BigCommerce projects in general, even if there's other software involved. And typical agency partner responsibilities surrounding a BigCommerce website will be things like theme development and graphic design, helping manage products, or helping customize certain things on your product page, also managing customers, setting up native marketing features, or helping establish an order flow process to help streamline your business. Sometimes it's also really helpful to have an agency partner look at your site speed and SEO strategy to make recommendations for how you could improve those two things. And ultimately, these are all different pieces of a puzzle that make up your website as a whole. If you're looking for a partner and you just can't seem to find the right one, feel free to reach out to us here at Anchor Group. We've got wonderful connections in the BigCommerce ecosystem, and we will be happy to make an introduction to a partner that'd be really helpful for you. If you like the content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if there's something we missed that you want more information on, feel free to drop your question in the comment section below. We want to make sure that you are set up for success on BigCommerce. As always, keep on chasing greatness, and I'll see you in the next video.